Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to add and subtract decimal numbers. What is 438.297 plus 76.25? Before we start adding, we must first align the decimal points. Then, we add a placeholder 0 in the thousandths place of 76.25. Recall that the value of the number does not change when we add zeros to the right of a decimal. Now, we can add both numbers. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 1 plus 2 equals 5. Then, we add the decimal point in the same column as the numbers above. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 1 plus 3 plus 7 equals 11. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So, 438.297 plus 76.25 is equal to 514.547. Now, let us subtract decimals. What is 438.297 minus 76.25? Just like adding, we must first align the decimal points before we start to subtract. Then, we add a placeholder 0 in the thousandths place of 76.25. Now, we can subtract the numbers. What answer do you get? Pause and discuss with your friends. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Don't forget to add the decimal point in the same column as the numbers above. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Since we cannot subtract 7 from 3, we regroup from the next greatest place value column. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 3 minus 0 equals 3. So, 438.297 minus 76.25 is equal to 362.047. Did you get that right? Today we have learned how to add and subtract decimal numbers. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.